Hello my science friends, happy to see you guys here. I want to give you an update on the signaling pathway illustration tutorial series. I've posted 2 tutorials on the channel. You can now find the G protein coupled receptor pathway and AMPK pathway on the channel. These were made in Inkscape. This is a software that is free and open source. You can download them in a link in the description. I also made a beginner course. You can take the course and start using the software within 45 minutes. I want to make tutorials for all the common signaling pathway, so scientists around the world can watch these videos and make the schematics for their publications. I'm going to make the pathway illustrations in 4 software: Inkscape, PowerPoint, and Figma. These 3 are free. Adobe Illustrator, it is free for some of you guys, the lucky ones who have the subscription at their institutions. My motivation of doing this project is from the emails I got from the developing countries. Many scientists from the Middle East and South Asia messaged me about their situation. They need to make these pathway illustrations for their publications, but they don't have the resources to hire a scientific illustrator. That is why I am making these tutorials on YouTube, so any scientists around the world can watch these tutorials, make the figure by themselves in the free software so they can publish their paper. At the end of the day, the scientists just want to do a good job efficiently so they're able to enjoy life and not worrying about the paper that cannot be published. These videos will never go viral on YouTube, so I would really appreciate if you can support me via the thanks button. When you support me through the donation, you're not only helping my channel, but you're also helping scientists around the world to complete their research publications. If you want to prioritize any of the pathway on the list, just let me know in the comments. Then I can move their live stream dates a little bit earlier, so you'll be able to see the tutorials sooner. This project will take very long because there are many pathways and many software, so it will take a few months. I'll be streaming a lot, so make sure you follow my social media and my newsletter. I will announce the live stream dates and whenever there is a tutorial published. I appreciate you guys watching my videos, and I will see you in more of the pathway tutorials.